Hi guys, Ivan here from the Perth WAtch channel. Thank you for joining me on today's video where I want to just do a quick unboxing of my local collaborator pieces here and a shout out to all of you guys, all of you supporters who have been with me on the channel, supporting the videos, commenting and watching. The channel went past 5,000 subscribers a couple of weeks ago, so it's just amazing. I can't believe it's progressed this quickly to this point, and it's all thanks to you guys. So keep up with the comments. I appreciate all the comments, even the critical ones. Some of the best comments have been critical ones where it's helped me improve. So thank you to everyone who has supported as well as helped improve the channel. It's all thanks to you guys where I've come to this point. You know who you are, my most frequent commentators. It's too many to list, to be honest. It's that fantastic. And I gotta say, one of the best things about YouTube I never expected was the community, the comments, the support, the people who are interacting and having conversations on the comment threads are all genuine, and I appreciate everything that comes through. So keep it up, guys. You know, the other thing that really comes through in the YouTube work so far is the collaboration. I just want to shout out to local collaborators who have provided pieces for today. So just to do a quick wrist shot, I am wearing this massive SevenFriday piece. So this is something that I'm gonna feature very soon, and it's thanks to Graeme who provided this. But another you know, local viewer and supporter have come forward to send me and bring me some pieces that I can feature on the channel. So thank you to Samuel, who has come forward and said, look, I've got some pieces and wouldn't mind you featuring on the channel. So thank you, and I'm going to turn the camera around and just do a quick show of these pieces, and I'll be back after that. All right, guys, so here we are for checking out these boxes. So again, I've had the SevenFriday for the longest, and here's a wrist shot of the actual piece on the wrist there. It is quite a monster, and I'm going to feature this in a review pretty soon, of course, but just a quick look at the box. I'm not going to go through this one in too much detail because I will, you know, do it thoroughly in the video review, but just to show you, this is a solid wood box. There's no falseness about this. It's actually machined and, you know, put together solid wood. It is just pine, but still, you know, something very special, something very different here. So let's put that aside. Now on to Samuel's pieces. So again, thank you to Graeme who made the SevenFriday available, and then Samuel, local supporter and viewer, who has made these other pieces available. So let's check out this one first. This is the Orient M-Force. You can see here a piece I believe hasn't been featured very much on YouTube, so I'm quite excited to bring this to you guys. So here we go. Here is the piece. That's a kind of a rubber strap or a resin strap from Barton strap. So I'm going to kind of see how that goes on the actual watch, but here we go. Now that's something different, isn't it? That's got a power reserve there. It's got a quick set date, or at least a date display. This presumably it's a PVD treatment of some sort on the bezel. So a very different looking watch from Orient. Very solid feeling. You know, how much is this? This probably weighs at least 180 grams, I reckon. Pretty solid stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna enjoy featuring this one. So, you know, just put that aside. Orient M-Force. Anything I find out more about the details of the models, I'll put in description and captions here. So let's put that aside. Right, now, Pagani design. This one is an interesting one because Pagani, when I hear Pagani, I think of the Zonda, the supercar. So let's have a look at these ones. You know, Chinese brand with homage designs. Nice little boxes, and let's take a look at this piece. Right, look at that. Black PVD, I presume. And this looks like an homage to a Breitling. I think this might be an Avenger model. I might be mistaken, but I'll look more into it. But this looks like an homage to a Breitling Avenger, and it's pretty massive. I mean, that's at least 45, if not even more than that. So, you know, we'll take a look at that in detail later. So Pagani design, I'm going to call this I guess an Avenger of some sort. Right, and these two are kind of a pair. So they're again from Pagani design, and they're kind of both. Right, let you look at that there. Right, if you know your watches, you recognize this straight away as an Aquaracer type of a ripoff or copy. So I think I'll review these as a pair, and obviously the black and blue, and they are essentially the same watch with the same movement. It's just a different cosmetic on the outside. So take a look at that, right? It's got that Aquaracer DNA. The current Aquaracer has the horizontal striping. Even the Pagani logo looks a little bit like a tag shield, doesn't it? So that's what we have here in this particular model. So I'll take this one out to put it side by side. Right, there we have it. Okay, right. So let's put these aside now and take a look at this last one, which is also a little bit special. So this is Armida watches, based in Hong Kong, unashamedly a Hong Kong producer, using both Chinese, Japanese, as well as some Sellita movements, I believe, some of their watches. But look at this case. It's like a diving case. It's waterproof, I believe. At least it's got a rubber seal at the top here. A little bit of a card, and then check this out. Okay, it's got a foam insert, and I guess one thing is you have to be careful where the watch is. So it's going to be on one side, and you want to let it fall out onto the table or floor, even worse. So here we go. Here is an Armida. I think this is an A2 in 42 millimeters, and obviously this is an homage to the Submariner in the black gold two-tone. So and this one is the NH35 movement in here. So take a look. All right, not bad at all. As an overall finish, this product. So there we have it. Let's just get them all together as a show. All right, there we have it, guys. There are the 5 watches from Samuel. Sorry, I haven't got all the boxes in place here, but that's an Orient box, and here is one of the Pagani design boxes, and then not to forget, of course, the big SevenFriday that I have on my wrist here. So guys, thank you for watching this particular unboxing. I'm going to turn this camera back around and finish the video off. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. Let me know which of these pieces you would be most interested to see first. I think I'm going to have to do the SevenFriday because I've had that for a little while now, so I'm going to feature that first. But let me know which of the other ones you're most interested in. I'll be guided by you guys. Thank you again for watching. If you enjoy my videos, do consider subscribing. New content every week, always aiming to be objective and unbiased about all things horology. See you guys next time.